parang they had a battle cry that time eh. Gusto nila talaga kami talunin, they want to dethrone us. And then kami naman, we were always riding on the fact that we just focused on the rivalry. When it's Lasal, matalo ka na sa lahat except sa Lasal. That was the attitude. So it's really all about, it's going to be a physical game, it's going to be rugged, it's going to be really intense.